Hi there! This video is for all you non-dairy doers out there who still want a whipped dollop atop of those summertime birthday and holiday treats. I'm going to show you 4 non-dairy whip toppings, how to make them, plus I'm going to review them with pros and cons. So let's get started. Number 1, Aquafaba. Aqua means water, faba means legume. Aquafaba is made from the juice of cooked garbanzo beans. I know how strange that must sound. It's quite simple to make. Empty a can of garbanzo beans into a strainer and drain thoroughly. Set the beans aside for use in something else. Then just start whipping away on high with your hand mixer. Aquafaba takes 15 consecutive minutes with your hand mixer before it's ready. It retains a light garbanzo bean flavor, so you definitely want to add some vanilla and sugar to it as a sweetener. The Aquafaba flavor isn't bad. However, the vanilla and the sugar really help it immensely, at least in my opinion. Once done, serve it immediately. Aquafaba doesn't hold well for long. This is how it dollops, and it looks wonderful at first just as it does here, but within 10 minutes it's deflating down the sides of your dessert. Even when put in a fridge, it won't keep its fluff for long. Left overnight, it returns to its original bean water state, as I'm showing you here. Number 2, Silk Dairy-Free Heavy Whipping Cream. If ingredients matter to you, here they are. Straight from the fridge, pour the Silk into a chilled bowl. Then start mixing on high with your hand mixer. Within 4 to 5 minutes, the product will look just like dairy whipped cream. It even tastes just like it too. Here's the problem. Because it tastes just like plain whipping cream, vanilla and sugar is added to make it taste yummy, just like you would to a dairy whipped cream. Once I added the vanilla and the sugar, it didn't seem to be able to emulsify properly, and the whipped cream texture became lumpy. I even tried using a vanilla powder instead of a liquid, as well as a powdered sugar, which is lighter than a granular sugar. I had the same lumpy results. Here's how it dollops. Doesn't look as pretty with the lumpy texture, but when served immediately, it does taste good. After about an hour, this is what it turned into, so it's not very stable, and it definitely lost its good flavor. I tried it at this stage and it was disgusting. Number 3, coconut cream. You'll need the full fat version of the coconut cream. Light coconut cream will not work. Place the can overnight in your fridge before use. This allows the coconut cream and the coconut water to separate. Chilling the bowl in the fridge is also a good idea. Open the can upside down so you can pour off the water that's separated beneath the cream. Now don't toss the water, put it in a smoothie or in your oatmeal in the morning. Scoop out the coconut cream, add vanilla, and your choice of sweetener before mixing. I'm going to use some honey. Then whip away with your hand mixer on high for about 3 minutes. Coconut cream is on the heavier side, so it will whip smooth and creamy, but it's going to be heavy rather than light. Here's how it dollops. Looks really nice and tastes absolutely delicious. But you've really got to like coconut flavor because there's no hiding that distinctive taste. It's pretty stable for up to an hour, so it's nice that you don't have to serve it immediately. It wasn't until about 2 hours of sitting out at room temperature that it began to separate and look like this. The good thing is it retains its delicious flavor, so if you just stir it up with your spoon here, it reblends and you can use it in smoothies or other recipes. It just won't dollop anymore as a dessert topping. Number 4, So Delicious Coco Whip, a coconut whipped topping. Here's a look at the ingredients. There is a 0 prep time for this product. Just take it out of the fridge and serve. It looks like Cool Whip, except with all natural ingredients, so it's guilt-free if you're one who likes the ingredients to be pronounceable, absent of chemicals and synthetics, hydrogenated oils, and GMO. This one fits the bill. This is how it dollops. It also even tastes like Cool Whip, except even better in my family's opinion. Although this isn't made from coconut, the coconut flavor is hardly detectable, so I think people who don't care for coconut may like this because it's so minuscule. This is my favorite feature of this non-dairy whipped cream. It's stable enough to be pipeable, so you can get fancy with your desserts. I didn't encounter this feature with any of the first 3 I showed you. And getting even better, this is what it looks like after 2 hours of sitting at room temperature. This product is stable. Put what you don't use in the fridge, and also unlike the other 3, it is reusable as a whipped topping for sometime in the future, and it doesn't even have to be within the next couple of days. This product lasts quite a while in the fridge. So to me, this So Delicious Coco Whip is hands down the winner. If you want to see more dairy-free, gluten-free, plant-based recipes, I've got an entire playlist right here. Then hit that subscribe button to be notified each time I upload a new video. Ding the little bell icon so that you're notified each time I upload a new video. And then for those other non-dairy doer friends of yours, share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!